As we hit our 40s, many of us begin to notice something surprising. Reading small text or seeing clearly on our phones becomes more difficult. This common issue, known as near vision blur, affects a lot of people. But what's really causing it? Now, let's take a closer look at how our eyes work, focusing on two important elements that play a big role in our vision: the lens and the ciliary muscles. The lens is a part of our eye located right behind the colored part, called the iris. Its job is to focus light onto the back of the eye, called the retina. The lens is soft and flexible, making it easy to focus on things close or far away. But as you age, the lens becomes harder and less flexible, making it harder to focus on things up close. That's why you might need to hold things farther away or start using glasses. The ciliary muscles are small muscles around the lens that help it change shape. When you look at something close, these muscles tighten to make the lens thicker. When you look at something far away, they relax and the lens flattens. As we get older, these muscles get weaker, making it harder to focus on both near and far objects. To sum it up, as we age, the lens stiffens and the ciliary muscles weaken, making it harder to focus on things up close, leading to blurred near vision. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep your eyes healthy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.